Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are very fine. So children, in our previous class we have finished learning and writing the letter G. So now tell me, which letter comes after G? Okay, I tell you. After G comes the letter H, and today we will learn how to write the letter H and some words starting with the letter H. Okay, so let's start. Take out your English book, Zigzag Zoom My ABC, and turn on the page number 28. Turn on the page number 28. Okay. Here you can see a capital letter H and one small letter H. And here is a rhyme also. And we will read the rhyme first. Okay. Let's read with me. A horse searched for the hay, went with a hen to a farm to stay. Again, a horse searched for the hay, went with a hen to a farm to stay. Okay, you have to learn this rhyme. And now look at the pictures. What is this? This is a horse. We all know horse. Okay. And what is this? This is a hen. This is a hen. And what is this? These are hay. Okay. Hay means khor. Hay means khor. So, these words horse, hen and hay are starting with the letter H. And let me tell you one thing. H will sound like H. H will sound like H. So, horse, H, hay, H, hen, H. Okay, these are the words starting with the letter H. So, we can say H for horse, H for hay and H for hen. Okay. So, you have to learn this word starting with the letter H. Okay. And now come to the next page. Come to the next page. Page number 29. Okay. Here, read aloud along with your teacher. Now read with me. Okay. At first, you can see a house. What is this? This is a house. So, house is starting with the letter H. House. Okay. And then hockey stick. Hockey stick. Ha. Okay. It is also starting with the letter H. So, we can say H for house also. H for hockey stick also. And now come to the next picture. What is this? We all know this is a helicopter, and helicopter is also starting with the letter H. Okay, you can see now H is in red color. All the H are in red color. So here also we can say H for helicopter. And what is this? This is a hut. This hut is also starting with the letter H. So here also we can say H for house, H for hockey stick, H for helicopter and H for hut. So you have to learn all these words starting with the letter H. Okay. Now come to the next page. Here is an activity. Okay. Here you have to tick the pictures whose names start with the letter H. Okay. Here you have to tick the pictures whose names start with the letter H. So at first, which picture is this? What is this? This is a sheep. Sheep. Sheep is not starting with the letter H. So we don't need to tick the picture, okay, in this circle. So we will leave it. And next, what is this? This is a tiger. Tiger. Tiger is also not starting with the letter H. So here also leave it. And what is this? This is a man, or we can say boy also. Okay, so this is also not starting with the letter H. So leave it. And now tell me, what is this? This is a hat. Hat. Hat is starting with the letter H. So we can say H for hat. So you have to tick the picture here in this circle. Okay. Because hat is starting with the letter H. Okay. And next, what is this? This is a hand. Here, hand, her. Again, this picture is starting with the letter H. So we can say H for hand. So you have to tick it. And now, next, what is this? This is a horn. This is a horn. Horn. This word is also starting with the letter H. So you have to tick it. Okay. Like this, you have to complete it at home. Okay. This is your homework. So write HW on this page. Okay. So you have to complete it at home. Okay. And now we will learn how to write the letter H. Okay. So let's start. At first, go to the top of the red line, then draw two standing lines, one after another. Okay, from first line to third line, like this. One standing line, then another standing line, like this. Okay, one standing line, then another standing line. Then go to the middle and join the two lines with sleeping line. Okay, like this. Join these standing lines with sleeping line like this. What it becomes now? It becomes the letter H, and writing H is very, very, very easy. Okay, so let's try it again. First go to the top, then draw a standing line. Okay, two standing lines, one after another, like this. Okay, then go to the middle and join the two lines with a sleeping line on the middle. Okay, like this. Again it becomes the letter H, and it is very easy to write. Let's do it again. Standing line, again one more standing line, then join the two standing lines with a sleeping line. So it is very easy. Okay, and you have to practice it at home. Okay, so bye bye.